Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your Microsoft Outlook email. And more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video. And that is, how do you search emails by a certain keyword in Microsoft Outlook email? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved. So be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to search your inbox in Outlook using a keyword anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, you probably get a huge amount of emails coming in. And sometimes you need specific data or specific proof for a certain subject. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Microsoft Outlook account. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my Microsoft Outlook account and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to search by a certain keyword, there's a few different ways you can do this. The first and easiest way is you can click right here in the search bar. Once you do that, make sure you're searching all folders or whichever folder you want to look through. So I'm going to choose all folders. And next you want to go ahead and just type in a keyword that's related to whatever it is you're looking for. This could be a name. It could be customer name. It could be a topic. It could be a product name. So for example, let me go ahead and just put usual and then you want to click enter. Okay, now you can see it pulled up all of the emails that have the word unusual. Now sometimes you're looking for a very generic word. So maybe you want to filter it even more. What you can do is click back here into the search bar and then off to the right, you're going to see this kind of upside down triangle. Click on there. Okay, so here you can go ahead and type in the keyword unusual. And then maybe we want to go ahead and filter this even more. So only emails that have the word unusual from a specific sender or sent to a specific sender or that has an attachment, and then you'll click on search. After that, it's only going to show the emails that you have requested based on that search filter. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to search your Microsoft Outlook email inbox using a specific keyword, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.